Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable ad blocker on Google Chrome. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Chrome on my computer, and first of all we need to go to the Chrome setting. We can click on the three dots and then go to the settings, and after you have opened the settings you can go to the privacy and security and scroll down until you find the site settings, and scroll down again and then click on the additional content settings. Okay, here you can go to the intrusive ads, and if you want to disable the ad blocker you just need to select this option. Any site you visit can show you any ads to you, and as you can see I have selected this option, so the ads are blocked on the sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads. But if you want to disable it you can select this option like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to disable ads blocker on Google Chrome. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.